Holy crap, there's a tornado warning up north.
Lows in the upper 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs around 90. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 60s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s.
Much better. Alright. Let's just see what goes here. I'm using the iPad for monitoring. No, it's not really loading. So, tornado warning. Oh god.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Marion County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Morrill for 8 miles.
First tornado warning off the IG-86.
Moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Tornado warning looks good on these radios.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marion, Morrill, New Bloomington, and Green Camp. Take cover now.
Take cover now.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Flash flood watch remains
Wow, that's
in effect
special.
through late.
You activated by
Is not expected at this time. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Small craft advisory in effect from 8 p.m. this evening through late tonight. Tonight,
I've never seen a TOR on that.
becoming north 10 to 15 knots.
This.
A slight chance of showers and
This back
thunderstorms
up.
early. A slight
This.
chance of showers and thunderstorms late.
This.
A chance of water spouts late. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 3 to 5 feet, then subsiding to 2 to 4 feet.
I've seen it twice on this.
Friday, north winds 10 to
Oh,
15
whoa.
knots. Weather outlook for the following county: Hocking, Ohio.
This is definitely gonna be in video. Oh no!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm
This is an
warning
SVR now.
for Marion County until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marion, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion,
Okay, we got an SVR now.
Morrill, Waldo, New Bloomington,
So now we
Green
have
Camp, and State Route 229 and U.S. Route
2 alerts.
23.
Double header.
The tornado warning for central Marion County is canceled.
Oh, they canceled it.
The tornado threat has diminished and the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging winds remain likely and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area.
Oh, well.
Here is a
Oh my god, so scary. Where's the hail at? Oh man, all the red lights just turned off.
Doddridge, Gilmer, Jackson, West Virginia, Mason, Pleasant, Putnam, Ritchie, Rome.
Only red light that really stays on is
Through late tonight.
oh no, it's
Around the slow-moving showers and thunderstorms is possible across the Middle Ohio Valley later this
oh
afternoon.
my gosh, it's thundering so much. What was that?
Sunday night, mostly clear.
Expires flash flood
Lows
watch.
in the mid